Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Okan Yeloglu from Baskent University, Department of Technology and Knowledge Management from Ankara, Turkiye. I'm truly honored to be the keynote speaker at the 8th International CoSiM Conference and to share insights on integrating technology management with digitalization and digital transformation. And my sincere thanks to organizing committee, especially Markus Launer, for this opportunity and for their hard work in bringing us all together. I believe this conference is a testament to the dedication of everyone involved, and I am grateful to contribute and to be a part of Inspire community. Thank you for making this gathering possible. Well, in this session, I'm going to talk about technology management, which is very important for us, and I'm going to try to integrate digitalization and digital transformation. I'm going to ask several questions about technology management, digitalization, and digital transformation, and I am trying to combine all these concepts and try to give a model for us to understand what can we do in the future studies. So I don't want to take your too much time, so let's start with the first question. I believe this question is very important because I am dealing with technology management for almost 11 years. I was the head of the technology and knowledge management department. I worked there as a chair for 11 years, so I was very involved with the discipline and sub-dimensions of technology management. So the main question here arises that is technology management a multidisciplinary approach? For me, the question is, of course, the answer is yes, because if you say that technology management is inherently multidisciplinary, of course, because it intersects various domains. As you see on the presentation, such as knowledge management, innovation management, computer information systems, R&D management, strategic management, and of course, business management. They have to be related because it aims to give insights to effectively guide technological innovation and application. This approach combines technical expertise with strategic insights, enabling organizations to not only develop new technologies, but also integrate them with existing business models and adapt them to evolving market demands. By drawing on diverse fields, technology management ensures that technological solutions are not only technically sound but also economically viable and socially relevant, creating a comprehensive framework for sustainable growth and innovation. If you want to extend this model and if you want to give what are the links, and what are the information about the integration of these management types with technology management, I think we can say a lot of things about it, but I know I have limited time, so I'm going to limit them for us to understand. For example, when we take a look at the business management here, technology management actually aligns with business management to optimize resources and streamline operations. For instance, for example, implementing an ERP, as we say, enterprise resource planning system, integrates various functions like finance, HR, and supply chain to improve efficiency and decision making across the inside and across the organization. If you take a look at the strategic management, and if we ask why strategic management is important technology management, we can say that technology management supports strategic goals by guiding technology investments, that align with long-term objectives. This is very important. For example, if we say a company may invest in AI, which is very important in these days, to enhance customer service, which not only meets immediate needs, but also positions the company strategically within a tech-driven market. And the third, if you ask why R&D management is important for technology management, we can say that technology management works closely, very, very closely with R&D to ensure that innovations are market ready and aligned with customer demands. For instance, in pharmaceuticals, R&D teams collaborate with technology managers to streamline critical trials and using data analytics, speeding up product development and time to market. And so R&D management is, of course, an essential dimension for technology management. So we need to expand why R&D management is important for technology management. And on the right corner, we can say computer information systems. And if we can ask again why CIS is important for computer information systems, we can say a lot of things. And we can say because the technology management utilizes CIS to organize, analyze, and secure data and driving operational efficiency. An example is the use of CRM, which we call customer relationship management systems to manage customer interactions, allowing sales and support teams to tailor their responses based on real-time data. And on the right-hand side, you can see the innovation management, which is a very essential and a thing for technology management. Again, that we say that technology management drives innovation. And how it drives innovation? It drives innovation by facilitating the adoption of emerging technologies. For instance, adopting cloud computing for software development allows companies or organizations, whatever you call, to innovate faster by reducing infrastructure costs and enabling scalable and flexible solutions. And so we can say that the last management style, which is called the knowledge management, is very important for technology management, because it is really related to technology management, because all organizations in several industries compete with each other. So there are lots of information, knowledge arises among organizations. But the main problem for technology management and knowledge management, how will we use and manage knowledge within organizations? How will we divert knowledge? How will we manage knowledge? How will we divert knowledge to the different levels of organizations is very critical and is very important, and it is widely accepted and discussed in technology management literature. So again, another question here that we can ask for technology management: how can we combine different levels with technology management? By defining the different levels, we can say three sub-dimensions, which I call them, and the first one is the individual level, and the second one is the group level, which is the combination of several individuals in a certain place or department or in organization. And the third one is just very important for us, is the organizational level. If we want to combine the first model, the very simple model, to the level-based approach, we can say the three levels are very combined within each other. It's very important to explain what technology management deals with about individual level, about group level, and organizational level. So if you want to talk about the first level, which is the individual level, we can say at the individual level, of course, technology management involves empowering employees. And the employees is important at the individual level to adapt and utilize technological tools effectively, and also driving productivity and innovation. And individual competency is very important here because it impacts how smoothly new systems and tools are integrated into daily tasks. For example, employees who understand the applications and functionalities of the technology available to them and are more capable of utilizing it to its potential, which can enhance both the efficiency and job satisfaction, which is widely discussed in organizational behavior literature. So when individuals feel confident using technology, and they are more likely to leverage it in creative ways and contributing to broader organizational goals. And the second level in here, the second level is at the group level, and it is very important again for technology management. It can be accepted as the middle level for technology management, and it is very essential actually for fostering collaboration. And collaboration is the key in the group level, and fostering collaboration and ensuring that teams leverage technology effectively to achieve collective goals. When these collective goals managed well, technology enables teams to communicate seamlessly, access shared resources, and work together on projects across time zones and locations. And if they implement and maintain collaborative tools, organizations can ensure that groups remain cohesive and productive despite the challenges of remote or hybrid work environments. And as you know, after COVID environments and the new business model arose, and we called them remote or hybrid work environments. And also, what can we say about the group level is that group level technology management. I think it ensures that the teams can harness the full potential of these tools, enhancing coordination and alignment. At the third level, which is the major problem, it's not a problem, but the major thing that we can discuss in the future or write too many articles, books, and chapters about it, is the organizational level. What we mean by the organizational level, and why if we ask why technology management can be taken under organizational level, we can say technology management becomes a strategic imperative at the organizational level. And this is strategic imperative that aligns technology investments with the broader vision and objectives of the company. I think this level involves making decisions about which technologies to adopt, the allocation of resources for those technologies, and creating an overarching strategy for the implementation. And creating strategy and implementation of their strategy is very critical at this organizational level, because if these strategies are well implemented, technology management enables organizations that they can maintain a competitive edge by ensuring that technology is not only up to date but also integrated across all functions and departments. And by managing technology holistically, organizations can maximize return on investments, which can be taken under finance, and achieve sustainable growth. So these three levels, when you are dealing or when you are working or when you are studying technology management, these three levels are very important for us to understand and to combine those levels with technology management. So the main question here that we can discuss, that how will we integrate the digitalization, and how can we integrate digital transformation to this model? Because it is very important that in these days, digitalization, digital transformation is very important and both from academic insights or both from the sector industrial perspective. So let's try to understand that how can we combine the digitalization process. But the first thing I want to show you is several explanations from the literature that I'm currently working on. And let's see what is the digitalization. Let's talk about the digitalization. For example, Hans and Krasta explained that digitalization is the process of converting information into a digital format in which the information is organized in bits. And Hess explained the digitalization as, again, is the process of introducing digital technologies which essentially deal with the changes caused by information technologies, that they emphasize the information technologies here. Samoylenko, in his study, explains that digitalization is the use of digital technologies or to change a business model, which we discuss lately in the current literature. What is a business model? What are the current business models in the industries? And provide new revenue and value producing opportunities. And also, finally, the little bit more detailed explanation is about the digitalization is the use and adoption of external digital technologies, example of resources, machine learning, Internet of Things, big data, and blockchain by organizations to improve their supply chain and operational performance. So what we need to understand from this slide, that we can make it shorter to understand, is the digitalization is accepted as a process, as a time-dependent process, and it's about converting information into a digital and organized format. And of course, it's about information technologies, and it's about use adoption of digital technologies, and it's all about organizational performance. We're trying to understand how can we improve the performance of an organization by digitalization and by using the information technologies. So let's continue with the digital transformation. So if you want to explain what digital transformation is, of course it is the integration of digital technologies and new business models into all areas of resulting in major changes to how industries function and how they provide value to customer. I think it is very important because the using of digital technologies if we transform the systems to digital technologies, we mean by the transformation of production and organization operations, processes, responsibilities of employees, and models of their activities. So it is again by Veal in his study in 2019 explains that it is the process that aims to improve an entity by triggering significant changes to its properties through combinations of information, computing, communication, and connectivity technologies. So if we can summarize and give the insights about digital transformation shortly, of course it's a process, it's a time-dependent process, and it's about the integration of digital technologies and business models. It's about the productivity and creating value, and of course it's about a change. So one side we have the digitalization, and one side we have the digital transformation. So we have another combination with the technology management and digitalization and digital transformation. So again, we ask several questions, and the first one, how can we combine the digitalization and digital transformation? That's the importance of this speech, of course. And the second question here, can we propose a model? And if we can propose a model, can we work on that model? So we can say, as we know from the last slides, that we have dealt with technology management and the areas that are related to technology management, and we have seen under individual level, group level, and organizational level. And the first one, as we talked before, is the digitalization, and we talk about it is the process. It's the converting information into a digital and organized format, and it is the using of information technologies, and of course it is the use and adoption of digital technologies. And the other side, we can say, if you are going to take technology management and digitalization, if we have taken technology management under individual level, group level, and organization level, of course we can say that digitalization can be considered in individual level, and of course group level, and of course in organizational level. This is very important because if you are saying that technology management and digitalization is taken as together, and if they are examined under individual, group level, and organization level, we can ask too many questions, and we can write too many articles, we can write too many research papers and theses, and also book chapters. On the other side, as we have seen before, is the digital transformation, and it is again it is seen as a process, and it's the integration of digital technologies and business models, and it's all about productivity. Maybe you can say it's the efficiency and creating value, and it's about change, because if you are talking about transformation, we are talking about a significant change in organizations. And again, we can say that if technology management is taken with the digital transformation, this digital transformation issue can be examined in individual level, and of course in group level, and of course you can say on the slide that it can be seen under and examined under organizational level. Well, actually we can see a spider web model here, which is quite fine for me, because we have taken too many things together, and I think it is very understandable model, and of course it's a questionable model for everyone. We can discuss later. And if you are saying digitalization and digital transformation is related with technology, of course it is about the business management, knowledge management, information management, CIS, R&D management, and strategic management. And also they can be examined under individual level, group level, and organizational level. Okay, so with this model, we can question too many things about the technology management and digitalization and digital transformation. Okay, the first one, if we ask why digitalization is important for technology management, we can say it's very important because digitalization can transform how organizations operate, innovate, and compete by integrating digital technologies. And the second one, for me, as we are talking about from academic perspective, digitalization is a driver of strategic flexibility and operational efficiency. And it enables organizations to respond more swiftly to market changes and optimize resource allocation and enhance decision making through data analytics. Without data, we cannot move, we cannot analyze, we cannot say anything. We may not have a know-how, and it makes critical weaknesses for organizations in industries. Also, we can say that digitalization can foster innovation by facilitating new business models. It can improve customer experiences, and it can increase interconnectivity within and across organizational boundaries. And it ensures that technology strategies remain agile and responsive to evolving organizational goals and external pressures. By embedding digitalization to organizations, shortly, technology management can more effectively align with strategic objectives, improve adaptability, and sustain competitive advantage. The competitive advantage is a very key element for technology management, as we have seen before. And the last one, the digital transformation and technology management. And if we ask why digital transformation is important for technology management, I think it reshapes organization structures, processes, and strategies to fully leverage digital technologies, and it drives sustained innovation and competitive advantage again. Again, if you take a look at it from the academic perspective, digital transformation can enable technology management to go beyond simple automation or digital adoption, fostering a deep integration of digital capabilities that can enhance, I think, value creation and transformation. And for me, this transformation not only optimizes current operations but also positions organizations for long-term growth in increasingly digital in an increasingly digital economy. So it was the last thing that I want to tell is, if you are talking about, if you are working in technology management, you have to be very multidisciplinary, and from the last years that the digitalization is digital transformation is accepted and widely discussed in current literature. So I think I'm running out of my time. So thank you for your patience, and thank you for the organizing committee for giving me this chance to make my presentation at this 8th CoSiM conference. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And we have my email address here, okanY@baskentedu.tr. You can ask the questions, and if you want to make any collaborations with this issue, integrating technology management and digitalization and digital transformation, I would be glad to help and happy to share my experiences and happy to have collaborations with you. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. Thank you.